It's mid-February 2021 and I'm gonna do some chores today and these new Nikes I'm testing out. They're sneakers. And so these are the shoes they'll be replacing for the next month or so. These you ready to go play, Dondi? You ready to go play? I'm a little concerned about walking around. There's snow up here, you know? And it might be kind of tough walking around in these shoes. But I'm optimistic. Call me a coward, but I'm gonna tape up my pant legs really quick. Kind of European look there. The first chore of the day is playing fetch with Dondi. There she goes. It's slippery here. I gotta say my toes are already a little colder than normal. Yeah, look at that, Dondi. Nice, school bus is running. Oh, got your belly. You win. You win. Ha! I got it now. Come here. Yeah. Come on. Yeah, it's tough. I bet you wish you had some Mars yards, Dondi. Right now, don't you? Looks like down there, my friend who plows for us and plows for my neighbor has gone off the road and our neighbor's pulling him out with the tractor or something, so I'm gonna go down there and see if I can help out. Chore number 2. Can I do anything?
Pray. What you do? Get bored? You have to come down and see what...
I didn't realize at first. I didn't realize. I just thought he was plowing. That's crazy. Oh shit. You want me to pick up a shovel or like stand somewhere and look at something or?
You don't need highway people here. Look at his boots.
What?
Tell you a problem.
My shoes?
Your boots.
Jack's making fun of my boots. You know, I didn't take off. I didn't change my shoes. I could have put on my boots when I come to do shit with the neighbors. But nah, I kept the Mars yards on. That's commitment. You know, I'm not winning any respect in these shoes. Maybe I'll win some respect with the shoes.
You need some boots
I know,
and gloves.
I have real boots that I wear every day. My buddy just gave me these shoes and said test them out in the snow. So here I am testing them out in the snow. I have big boots.
Are they supposed to be snow boots?
No, these aren't snow boots. These are like they're like soccer shoes.
One more. I'd say go back. Same thing again. As we get going.
You're out. Stop. You're out. Here he comes. I hope I got some of that footage. I wasn't trying to be the goof, just standing there with the cameras while the fellas figured it out. I did get made fun of plenty for the Mars yards, but you know, they held up pretty damn well. Digging out Bill's truck like that. Where's the choke? This segues nicely to our next chore, which is picking up some firewood from the wood pile, which is under this snow. Oh gosh. Okay, so there's our wood splitter, and here's our firewood. So next is get a fire going. Right, Dondi? Kindling. A little bit of this. Just we'll be in business. All right, so while that preheats, let's split some of this wood. Yeah, that ought to do it. Okay, the next order of business is I gotta carry water to the pigeons. You know, my feet aren't even cold anymore, and I don't think they ever got wet. I've been outside now doing all this stuff for a good hour and a half. Our water line from the spring that we put in, it's all above ground, so it would freeze. So it's got to stay running. It's got to stay running full time, day and night in these temperatures, and that's why we have this big ice mountain here. I kind of kick it down as we go. Oh boy. Oh, cognitive overload. I got all wet. Leave it like that running, you know, up there so, and just check on it periodically through the day. No problems. It's been running like this for 3 months now. It's gonna keep running for another couple months. Oh! See, sometimes you get a deep spot. I told Farmer Jack they were soccer shoes. Whatever. You say the soccer shoes. Alright, and now we gotta go up. Hey, what's up, everybody? How you doing, babes? Oh, y'all got plenty of food. Get their water. Break whatever ice is in there. Yeah. Yeah, that's all of it. Yeah, soccer shoes. Soccer shoes. Always check to make sure the heater light's still on. See, this heater light's off. That's why it was frozen. I'll have to replace that later today. The reward for chores are more chores. What's up, birds? Still snowing. And my feet are still warm and dry. I don't know how wearing these things. I guess my ankles are a little wet through the wool socks, but look, this is how I'm walking. And my feet are totally, in quotes, are dry. and not too cold. And maybe they're not too cold just because I'm moving around, but they are dry, and that goes a long way. All right, well, it's about noon now, so I should probably stop doing chores. Start making sculpture or doing something harder. I'm gonna keep making chore videos because chores are cool, but also these shoes are cool, and it'd be a pretty cool way to show my experience testing these shoes. You want to play some more, but I wanted to take my shoes off. Oh, what the hell. All right, let's go play some more. We could go play some more. Guess I'm not done doing chores yet. Go on.